Hello all, welcome back. I'm John.
Hi there, I'm Aisel, and today we will get you started with your METROTOM one. Feel free to pause at any time to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. In this getting started video, we will be introducing you to a simple tool, automated parameter selection. It's included in the ZEISS INSPECT software as a standard function. Let's get started. As previously mentioned, our primary application for the MT1 are plastic parts, which are quite simple to scan. But what if parts get more dense and trickier to scan? Let's bring in a part that would usually give us some issues. A metal part like this would normally give us problems at the simplest plastic settings. Instead of taking time to try and error new settings, the system can determine the proper settings on its own. So let's give it a try, John.
Yeah, let's go for it. To get started, we should simply fixture using the same guidelines mentioned in the Getting Started video on fixturing. As a rule of thumb, for anything more dense than plastic, I would also recommend rotating your filter wheel to 1mm copper. So once the system's ready to activate, we can simply click the Automated Parameter Selection button, which is in the Workspace ribbon. From here, we can just sit back and let the system do the calculations for us. So by factoring in part shape, thickness, and density, this function will produce a conservative set of parameters for you to move forward with.
Once the calculations are complete, the system will make its recommendations for us, based on what resolution you wish to scan with. Let's select full resolution and move forward into our Capture Volume dialog. You will notice in the parameter selection area the settings that were determined by the automated parameter selection have been automatically transferred, and you may move forward as you would with a standard scan workflow. Let's start this and scan and see how the automated parameter selection tool does.
Yeah, this has really done quite a nice job. What do you think, Aisel?
Yeah, I think so too, absolutely. It's a really handy feature. This is a real time saver when you're scanning parts with different densities. And if you experience anything different from what you've seen here, or if you have any questions about your METROTOM one, well, please visit handsonmetrology.com. For more getting started information, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.